Good day, guys. How are we all doing? Hope we're all good. So this is a quick video or a quick lesson for those who trade New York PM session or the New York afternoon session. So our kill zone time is 8 p.m. GMT plus 2. If you are in SA, that's 8 p.m. This is 8 p.m. GMT plus 2. This is basically your kill zone time or the time where you're most likely to get a high probability setup. So if you come to your charts, depending with what time you come, I'm just going to assume you come in the evening because you're trading 8 p.m. GMT plus 2 or the New York afternoon session. First things first, you want to check your daily bias. So if you had checked your daily, you would have noticed that price was trading below today's open price, and we had rejected off this resistance area here, and price was pushing down. So just to confirm your bias, you you had to go to your H1 to check if your price is trading below the 13 EMA, of which that's exactly what we had. And then to confirm a downtrend. So if you're trading PM session, you need two things, or one main thing basically. You need a trending market. So you just need to check where is your market trending to or trending from. So today we're looking at Nasdaq, and this was the highest high. You can see we had a liquidity sweep here. Then we had the first lower low here. Then price retrace up, gave us a lower high here. Push down, gave us a lower low here. This was approaching 8 p.m. GMT plus 2. So it is at this point now where we were anticipating a lower high and a potential continuation for price to give us a lower low. So with that in mind, I'm just going to switch to trading view so that you guys can see the exact time. We're going to go to H1 initially, right? So the 8 p.m. candle was this one here, right? So let's go to M15 where it's a little bit clear, right? So on M15, the main thing you want to locate, like I said, is your trend. Check where your price is trading from. So you will notice that New York took out liquidity from London's highs, took out this low. This was the trend forming. So at 8, price was on this lower low here. So before you trade, you want to see a stop hunt or a liquidity sweep, whatever you call this. That's what you want to see. So it has to be visible either from the M15. Here we had the 13 EMA right in close proximity, or you can simply go to your 3-minute time frame, which is my entry time frame, or the 5 minute, and you want to locate any liquidity sweep. So if you notice, we had these equal highs here. The M price actually pushed up, took out these highs, then immediately after that, they started pushing down. So again, you will notice that we had this minor order block here, which was broken here and retested. And we also had this bigger order block here, which I actually used with a sell stop order here. Then the price actually then just pushed all the way to TP. We had a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And we were targeting yesterday's lows as a take profit. You can see with this red line here. So what I'd advise you, if you're trading PM session, just try to locate a trending market. So let me see if I can share with you guys the running trade. Just a moment. Let me just locate it on my phone. Sent. Excuse me. Okay, I don't know if you guys love rain sounds. Where I am, it's a bit of raining, so and it's a bit of a cabin, so I'm sure the rain sound is quite audible. So hope it's not really affecting this sound in a negative way. But anyways, Right, daily results, March 3. Yeah, I'm just going to share my screen now. Daily results, March 3rd, Nasdaq sell. So you can see this, excuse me, this was the setup we shared in the mentorship community. And there was the liquidity sweep entry at the break of that order block with the 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Then you see the running trade just now. Then a continuation of the trade as it was approaching TP. And yeah, that was it. So I hope you guys learned something. Let me see if I can quickly show you another example, since this is actually a lesson to show you guys how to actually trade these assets. Excuse me. So let's see, German 40 also had a setup. So let me just use trading view because it's easier to show you the timing. So German 40, we were in a selling bias in intraday reversal. 8 p.m. was right here. Then again, we have the same setup. You want to locate your equal highs and equal lows. As soon as you locate your equal highs and equal lows, then you want to wait for an order block to be broken in the direction of your bias. So here we're in a selling bias. So if you're in a selling bias, you're looking for price to actually take out liquidity to the top side, which is exactly what happened here. First order block broken here, second order block broken here. This would have been a nice place to actually sell, targeting the next level here. I'm not sure which level was this, but this also would have been a perfect sell right there. US 30, I believe there was the same bias. We're coming from the 13 EMA on the daily. So we've been having a bearish bias on US 30. So if you had noticed also, price was, after taking out this liquidity in the afternoon, we were just creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And again, here we had our equal highs. Let's just go to M3, 8 o'clock. Okay, this was 8 o'clock. This one we had a variation of equal highs, and if you look to your left here with this particular candlestick here, so for me, this was actually an order block right here, and these were the equal highs. I did not take these trades though. The only trade I took was Nasdaq because it's the one I was paying attention to. So this one also would have been a nice setup, selling from that order block, even from the breaker here. Stop loss just above this candle, take profit right on the previous day's low. It would also have been a good setup. So if you're trading PM session, look for trending markets. If there's no trending markets on your watch list, then there's nothing to trade. So look, number one, look for a trending market. Number two, look for a liquidity sweep. Then wait for an order block breaker. Then you are in that trade. So I hope this was making sense. I'll try to do another video maybe when the weather is a bit great, just in case this one, the audio is not so good. I'll try to do another example maybe tomorrow or the day after, then I'll share you as well. So if this video made sense to you, please throw a like there, share, subscribe. Also comment what session do you trade or what time do you trade, what's your kills on time. Then if you want to understand more about candlesticks or price action, I'm just going to throw a video right in the center here, which you can just watch to perfect your candlestick knowledge. Apart from that, enjoy the rest of your evening. Good trading.